Have you ever dreamed of working from home, teaching students from all over the world, and earning money while doing something meaningful? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can become an online ESL teacher, even if you have no experience yet. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Teacher Angel, an online English teacher, and in this channel or on this channel, I share ESL teaching tips, lesson ideas, and tutorials to help you start or grow your teaching career online. So if that sounds interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, our topic is how to become an online ESL teacher. Let me share my screen. Here you are. I prepared a step-by-step process. The first one, know what ESL means. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. It means our job teachers is to help students improve their speaking skills, their listening skills, reading skills, and writing skills in English, of course, often through video platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or teaching platforms like ClassIn. Step 2, prepare your tools. You'll need a laptop or a PC, or you can even use your smartphone. Stable internet, a headset with mic like this, and a good lighting and a quiet space or a good environment. Step 3, get certified. Teachers, this is optional, but it's very, very helpful. TEFL or a TESOL certificate can actually help you hire faster. And it's your edge among other teachers. Step 4, create your intro video. Most ESL companies ask for a short introduction video. So this is your chance, teacher, to show your communication skills, your smile, and your energy. Just keep it natural, okay? Just for example, hi, my name is Teacher Angel, and I have been teaching English online for 8 years. I love helping my students build confidence and enjoy learning English. Just like that. Step number 5, apply online. So try companies like Ingo, Native Camp, 5OneTalk, or even ACADSOC. And the Palfish. Palfish, you can actually use tablet, iPad, or smartphone only, okay? Step 6 is keep improving. Teachers, even if you are already hired, you must keep on improving. Keep your style or teaching style, improve. Okay, watch tutorials, learn new techniques, and keep your lessons fun and personalized for each student. So I think that's it. Those are 6 steps to becoming an online ESL teacher. Teachers, if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who also wants to teach English online. And let me know in the comments, which ESL company are you planning to apply first? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, teachers and aspiring teachers, and see you in my next ESL tutorial. Goodbye.